What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got this 2018 GMC Terrain. If you got 2018 to 2021 GMC Terrain and you need to check the fuse for this thing is gonna keep beeping. Let's turn this. Okay, so you got USB, you got power outlet right there, and you might got one in here, one probably back here or so. Okay, we don't have it back there, but anyways, what you want to do is you want to go down here, right here, and right down here you're gonna have this box here. To open this box, what you do is you squeeze these two tabs, so one over here, and this box comes down. So we got a whole bunch of fuses in here, and if you go by the listing here, it will tell you everything. We got F1, which is DC, right there, the first one, F1. F1 is located right here, so this is F1 right here. So that's your power inverter right there, the 20 amp. Make sure you put in a 20 amp fuse, and all you need is a tweezer to pull it. And then we got a fuse for USB. This is a 10 amp right here. And then we got your phone chargers, 20 amp fuse right there. So let's look at the 20 amp fuse, which would be in F37. F37 is cigarette. See, I just cigarette lighter. Okay, so that's that right there. So that's it. You got this fuse. You got this fuse for the cigarette lighter, and you got the USBs over here. So those are all three fuses for your power supply there. And once you're done, make sure you put this cover back on. Same way you took off. It will only go in one way. And this beeping is super annoying. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. So if you guys got a GMC Terrain, there you go. You got your fuses there.